When your operation demands versatility, Hornet delivers with flexible pipe and tube cutting options for a wide range of sizes and profiles. We offer a variety of CNC pipe cutting machines to match your specific needs. Changing setups? No problem. Our machines are designed for fast, quick adjustments so your team stays focused on cutting, not configuring. With effective cutting lengths up to 40 feet, Hornet systems are built to take on the big jobs and deliver results. Powered by Hypertherm, you get advanced true hole and true bevel technology for cleaner cuts, precise angles, longer consumable life, and remote support when you need it. A built-in Crosshair laser ensures accurate alignment every time. Rigid frames and superior motion control keep every cut smooth and stable, even on the toughest materials. We offer 2 pipe cutting machines, the ROTO HORNET 1000, ROTO HORNET 2000, and a plate/pipe combo, the Hornet HD combo. From setup to final part, Hornet pipe cutters reduce downtime, minimize scrap, and lower your cost per part, delivering the productivity your shop demands.